Hi everyone, welcome to Geek Decoders YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do tutorial number 39 in Power BI, which is compare values in same period of this year versus last year. So in here I will use same period last year DAX function. So this is the function that I'm going to evaluate in this tutorial. And if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel for more Power BI videos. So in this tutorial, this is the data source that I'm going to use, which contains salesperson, item, sales value, sales date, and feedback. So those are the columns, and this form, this Excel sheet that you can download, the link is mentioned in the description section. Right, so for the demonstration purpose, first thing is that I'm going to add a data sales date field to my Power BI dashboard, and here I want the year and month, so I'll be using this type of a visual for that. So that is the first one that I want. I will increase the font size as well a bit. Right, the second step is I will go create a new measurement, which is total sales value, which is sum sales value. Right, so this is my first measurement, so which calculates the sum of the sales values. Right, so now I will add it as a data. So here I will use a card for that. Right, so this is my value. Right, so now I have to create a new measurement to get the last year's sales value with for the same period, which is that I am selecting in this my slicer. For that I have to go and create a new measurement. Right, so I will rename it as total sales value last year, and here I will use calculate function, and then as for the expression I will use the previous measurement that I have created, total sales value. And for the filtering I will use this function, same period last year function, DAX function. So as you can see, it returns a set of dates in the current section from the previous year. That means if we use this, it will select the same dates that we select in this year for the last year. Right, here for the dates, as an input that I have to set the dates, I will use sheet 1 sales date dot date function. Right, so my two measurements are now created. Right, so now I will add the newly created measurement to my dashboard. Right, it's total sales value last year, so I will use a card visual here. Right, so now as you can see, if I select 2020, then this will gives this year's sales value, that means 2020, and this one gives the same period, that means 2019 sales value. So if you select this one, as you can see, 44k, and this is, I don't have data for 2018, so which mentioned as blank. Right, so let's say if we select more. Right, so if we select let's say months, let's say if we select 2000 maybe February, you can see this is for 2020 February, and this is for 2019 February. So this is how by using this same period for last year function to evaluate or compare last year's and this year's values for the same period. Right, so especially comparing values in this year and last year for the same period is really important for big organization, because that shows whether the company is performing better or not. So actually with this Power BI function you can easily do that, right? So if you go further into different months, so as you can see different values are coming up, right? So thank you for watching my video. Please try this tutorial and keep in touch for more Power BI videos.